Folding phones are no longer just futuristic concepts, they're now powerful, sleek, and packed with innovation. In 2025, the competition has heated up with brands pushing the limits of design, performance, and functionality. Whether you're into multitasking, crave a pocket-sized tablet, or just want the coolest tech in your hands, this year's top foldables have something for everyone. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best folding phones of 2025, comparing features, durability, cameras, and more to help you find the perfect one. From Samsung's latest Galaxy Z Fold to fresh competitors like Google and Motorola, we've got all the details you need. So sit back, relax, and let's unfold the future of smartphones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. Honor Magic V3. The Honor Magic V3 is here to shake up the foldable phone scene with elegance and innovation. This ultra-slim foldable is turning heads with its refined design and impressively light build, making it one of the sleekest book-style foldables on the market. Open it up, and the vibrant 7.92-inch OLED main display offers a near-tablet-like experience with rich colors and buttery smooth scrolling, perfect for multitaskers and media lovers. The outer display is just as premium, ideal for quick tasks and full app access without missing a beat. Powered by Honor's latest chipset and packed with smart software optimizations, the V3 runs fluidly even during demanding use. The triple camera system delivers balanced, high-detail shots and cinematic video, while battery life easily supports a full day's hustle. The Magic V3 proves that foldables don't have to compromise on style or performance. Hit that subscribe button for more next-gen tech reviews. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is where style meets serious power in a pocket-friendly fold. This year, Samsung fine-tunes the Flip formula with a sleeker hinge, tougher glass, and even smarter features. The 3.9-inch cover screen is more useful than ever. Run apps, reply to messages, or check your schedule without unfolding. Open it up, and the vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED display delivers stunning clarity and smooth 120Hz performance, perfect for everything from social media to streaming. Under the hood, Samsung's latest processor keeps everything fast, cool, and efficient. The upgraded dual-camera system captures vivid shots with improved low-light performance, and Flex mode is more refined for hands-free selfies, calls, and content creation. It's a phone made for creators, trendsetters, and anyone who wants function wrapped in flair. The Flip 6 is more than just cool, it's confidently capable. Subscribe for more hands-on reviews of the latest foldable tech breakthroughs. Number 3. Motorola Razer 2025. The Motorola Razer 2025 is a modern classic reborn, blending everyday practicality with stylish foldable flair. Unlike the Ultra model, this Razer focuses on delivering a clean, efficient experience in a compact, user-friendly design. Its updated hinge feels sturdier than ever, opening to reveal a crisp 6.9-inch POLED display that's perfect for daily use. The redesigned outer display is more functional too, giving you access to essentials like messages, music, and notifications. No need to flip open every time. Inside, Motorola's clean Android interface runs smooth and snappy, with smart customization and thoughtful AI touches. The camera system has seen subtle but meaningful improvements, capturing natural tones and sharp detail, especially in daylight shots. For those who want the foldable experience without going over the top, the Razer 2025 hits the sweet spot. Like and subscribe to catch more down-to-earth reviews on the latest and greatest in tech. Number 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Meet the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, a foldable that redefines what smart really means. Google's 2025 flagship foldable takes the Pixel experience to a whole new level with its seamless foldable design and AI-driven features. The stunning 7.8-inch inner OLED display is vibrant and smooth, perfect for split-screen productivity or immersive streaming. Fold it shut, and the polished 6.2-inch outer display keeps things fluid and functional on the go. Powered by the advanced Tensor G4 chip, it's built for speed, smart performance, and next-gen AI magic. The Pixel camera system, now even more refined, delivers sharp photos with real-time editing and scene enhancement. What really sets the Pixel 9 Pro Fold apart is its deep integration with Android 15. Everything just works, intuitively. This is Google at its best, bold, practical, and forward-thinking. Hit that subscribe button and stick around for more top-tier tech reviews delivered straight to your screen. Number 1. Motorola Razer Ultra 2025. The Motorola Razer Ultra 2025 is here, and it's a serious game-changer in the world of foldable phones. Sleek, ultra-thin, and loaded with next-gen features, this stylish flip phone blends nostalgia with cutting-edge tech. Its 6.9-inch POLED main display is buttery smooth at 165 Hz, while the massive 4-inch external display now supports full apps, making multitasking a breeze. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, it delivers lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming or streaming. Motorola has also stepped up its camera game, featuring a refined dual-lens system with AI enhancements for crisp, vivid photos even in low light. And with a durable hinge and IPX8 water resistance, it's built to last. The Razer Ultra 2025 isn't just a phone, it's a statement. If you're ready to stand out with style and performance, this could be your perfect foldable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic tech reviews. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best folding phones of 2025. From sleek designs to powerhouse performance, these foldables are pushing smartphone innovation to the next level. Whether you're into productivity, creativity, or just love cutting-edge tech, there's a foldable here for you. All the products featured in this video are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Facts for more informative and top best tech product reviews. Comment your favorite foldable, we'd love to hear your thoughts.